Yo, what's going on, everybody? I hate to start off a video this way, but we got some bad news for the Miata. I'm gonna have to resort to using this, which means that one is not any good anymore. It's not bad. It used to be a 5-speed, now it's a 4-speed. We were cruising the other night with a bunch of our boys, and we lost second gear. And it only noticed it when it's really just warmed up, and you've been driving it hard for a while, so we're just gonna go ahead and do it now and switch everything out while we're still quarantined. Ripperino. I mean, hey, at least the car looks good while it's broken, you know what I mean? Did a real good job cleaning it up and whatnot. Oh, hey, doggo, you're so excited! And she's gone. Oh yeah, not to mention we just wasted like 50 bucks on 2 quarts of this. Pretty expensive, hard to find. Now it's probably garbage because it's probably full of metal from the second gear just being completely shredded. So we're gonna drain that. Yeah, I think we're gonna drain that first and then we're gonna pull the trans. But there's a lot of other components we gotta pull first, so we're gonna get to it. All right, we just removed our ISR resonator delete. Got this thing all jacked up. It should be a good height. Now we just have to pull off. I hope we don't have to move the header. Still have to pull off the drive shaft off the back of the transmission. I think it just unbolts from the back and it slides out. Might have to move this guy. This thing seems pretty stout. I think we can move it past. There's a lot of room underneath there. Gotta unbolt that support frame brace from the transmission. I think that might be it. So we'll go ahead and do those. Just got the drive shaft out. I don't think anything else is really gonna be in the way. Just a couple subframe brace pieces. I'm gonna look at the other trans, see what else needs to come off. Because we ended up cutting a bunch of the things off of this one. I'm really hoping that wasn't a mistake. Kind of looks like it might be. But we're gonna re-grease everything. I think this I can just unbolt from there. Should just thread right off. This just got unplugged. This I can probably unplug. I'm gonna start cleaning up this one before I go any further with this. All right, I don't know how much footage I got for today, but that is pretty much gonna do it. Progress, this is the new trans that's going in. I cleaned it as much as I could. I'll probably do a little bit better of a job inside the bell housing, but I got the wires prepped. These are good. I got the clutch cylinder off the side. Everything else looks pretty good on this one. I'm probably gonna use the shifter that I have because I cleaned it up. Underneath here, I've got all the connections, the harnesses. I got this brace off, the resonator, drive shaft. I think I got like 5 or 6 of the 8 bolts out of the transmission holding it to the block. Let's see. I know I got this one, this one, this one. Oh, this one's stuck in there still. I gotta get that one out. That one, that one. That one at the bottom. I think I got this one. Gotta pull that one out. This one wasn't even in there. That one, these 2. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get all that stuff out. It's a lot of work. I'm probably gonna need a second hand, so I'll wait till somebody's available to help me pull that out. And then I still have to disassemble everything up here. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a process and a project on its own. Still have the old transmission fluid in here. I need to remember to drain that and put the good stuff in when I switch it over. Other than that, I mean, the transmission, it's got a lot less miles than mine does, like 40,000 less. Hoping it'll be better. And maybe we'll check the clutch and the flywheel and we'll see if the other one that I have is better or if this one's good. But that's gonna conclude today's video. Next video, hopefully we'll get this thing done before we sell the house because everything is going as planned for that. Has a little update. Everything is going according to plan with that. Sold our house. We're in the process of buying theirs. So we're excited. She's probably designing stuff right now for the new house as we speak because that's what she does for a living. And it's really hot out today. I picked the worst day to work on this, but I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. New episodes every Wednesday at noon. Peace out. Keep turning those gears.